The Port of Hamburg is committed to innovation, and that's why it's testing autonomous surface vehicles to increase safety and efficiency in the harbour. We want to move beyond the theory and test it here in practice. Welcome to a new story from Port is What We Do. We're at the Baakenhafen in HafenCity. Here, along with various project partners, the Hamburg Port Authority is taking a trip into the future. The Port of Hamburg is setting another new technological milestone with the use of autonomous surface vehicles. Here they're testing the use of autonomous water drones, which in future will be able to survey the port. During their trip they use echo sounders, for example, to measure water depth, map the surface of the harbour floor, or locate sunken objects. We want to make autonomous vehicles safe, because when you use autonomous or remote control units, the most important thing is safety and zero tolerance for accidents. So testing is crucial, and getting the algorithms right, so that autonomous vehicles can cruise the waterways. The goal of using this innovative technology is increased efficiency. The autonomous drones can work more effectively than the survey boats currently used by the HPA. But the port poses particular challenges. One of them is the large number of ships. Outside the harbour, these drones are already in use because there's more space. It's much simpler out there. But here in the port, that's a major challenge. The Port of Hamburg is an ideal testbed for such high-tech systems. Unlike on the open sea, where they're in service now, the high frequency of ships and the many different types in the port are a key consideration. I personally think we've come a long way with this technology. Now we just have to create the legal framework that will enable us to use such autonomous systems in the harbour. For the HPA, safety has priority no matter what the technology is. The drones could be ready to go into service in 2 to 5 years. There's a lot of interest, with people coming from other ports like Antwerp and Bremen, and over 120 participants here. Everyone believes in this vision of the future, and we want to continue to be a platform for innovation. Autonomous water drones in the Port of Hamburg. Another technological milestone. Being part of this, helping to shape it, pushing ahead with its development, it's really great. Port is what we do.